What's up, you guys? Today is another keyboard tutorial. I'm gonna try to keep it real short and sweet. Today, I see a couple of you guys been asking me for some traditional songs, some old school songs. I'm trying to keep it simple. I may do another tutorial on maybe some advanced movements and transitions and stuff. Of course, you can a lot of other videos out there, but you know me, we keep it simple. We're gonna be a key of E flat. Somebody requested me in the key of E flat. I may do some stuff in A flat. I know a lot of songs, especially culture songs, are done in A flat, but today we're in the key E flat today. It's real simple, called Jesus I'll Never Forget. And of course, these kind of songs, you can sing a whole bunch of other songs that add on to it, but real simple. Jesus I'll never forget what you done for me. Jesus I'll never forget how you set me free. How can I forget how you brought me out? Jesus I'll never forget, oh never forget. Okay, you got it. So, Jesus I'll never forget. I'm gonna just hit the basic chords and I'm gonna do all the little transitions. So first is the one, E flat major, Jesus I'll never forget, E major, E flat, G, B flat. I do this whenever I play E flat like that. I always do this because they use me to go. So I'll show you how to do that later. So E flat major, Jesus I'll never forget what you done for me. So E flat major, Jesus I'll never forget what you done. A flat major, A flat, C, E flat, done for me. Hit it again. Jesus I'll never forget how do you set me free. B flat major, B flat, D, F sharp. Then go back to E flat major again. Jesus I'll forget how you brought. You can do that. How you brought me. So what that is E flat major over G. E flat major. I play it like this, so you can do like this. How you brought me out. A flat major. A flat, C, E flat. Yeah. You can walk it down. Jesus. So what that is A flat. You're gonna have the A flat. How you brought me out. Then go bomb. E flat major over G. F minor 7, which is A flat over F. A flat major over F. And then you can see what I'm doing in the right hand. I'm just going A flat, E flat, A flat, E flat. So when you do how you brought me out, Jesus I never forget. So when you do that, Jesus I never forget. Just go back to A flat. Oh, B flat major. So again, E flat major. Jesus I'll never forget what you done. A flat major done for me. Back to E flat. Jesus I'll never forget. How you set me free. B flat major. Go back to E flat. How can I forget how you brought? So you can do that, how you brought, or you can do a step further and did what I just did. How can I forget E flat major and just go to F minor 7, which is A flat over F. How, and then go to E flat major over G. You, and then A flat major brought me out. Then you can do that walk down. Jesus I never, E flat major, forget. A flat major, oh never, B flat major. And then what I'm doing is, Jesus I never forget what you done for me. Jesus I never forget how you set me free. How can I forget how you brought me out? Jesus I never forget, oh never. So what I'm doing is, I'm just going back and forth. The E flat major, inverted, G, B, E flat, and A major. So I'm just bouncing. Jesus, I'll never forget. And you can hear, listen to it. Jesus, I'll never forget. And I'm just listening to it. I'm just listening to the tones and the sound. So I'm just going again, E flat major, and it's easy for me to go straight up to A flat. Cause I'm not even moving to the left. I'm just going. See? So Jesus, I'll never forget. This is forget. Alright. B flat, C, F sharp. B flat, C, F sharp. So just play around with it. Jesus, I'll never forget. So I just go, Jesus, I'll never forget what you done for me. Done for. So we hit the A flat, you going bum, A flat, C sharp, F sharp. For me, Jesus, I'll never forget how you set how you set me free. So the B flat major, how you set me, and this is really an inverted E flat. So B flat, E flat, G. Same thing, E flat, G, B flat. So how you set me free. And you can do that. So that's B flat, A flat. So Jesus, I never forget. How can I forget how you brought me out? Just kind of bounce with it, play with it. We go back to Jesus, I never forget. Oh, never. And just kind of play around with it. See how it sounds to you, and you do it your way. And then the other part go, never, never forget. Never, never forget. Never forget. And what that is, I'm just doing a bass run. So let's do that first. E flat, G, A flat, A, B flat, C, C sharp, D, E flat. And this is how I do it. This is how I do my run, my E flat. Again, E flat, G, A flat, A, B flat, C, C sharp, D, E flat. And then as you're doing it, in the right hand, you go, never forget. Now what that is never, we did that before. B flat, C, F sharp, never, I'm just bouncing, never, go, never forget, hold on, never forget, never forget, never forget. So what that is, that never forget, I'm just bouncing that, never forget. So what that is, like I said, B flat, C, F sharp, and then I'm going to the A flat, B flat, E flat. All right, never forget. So again, B flat, C sharp, F sharp, and then A flat, B flat, E flat. All right, so never forget, never forget, never forget. Or you can do it again. Never forget. So that never, B flat, C, F sharp, and then did what we did earlier, inverted E flat, and you just go never go back to that, get, so never forget, so never, inverted E flat, and then A flat, never, A flat major, A flat, C, E flat, 4 inverted E flat major, get. So be never, never forget, never, never forget. Or do the first way, never, never forget, never, never forget. Say, Jesus, I never forget what you done for me. Jesus, I never forget how you set me free. We do it real quickly. Jesus, I never forget how you brought me out. Jesus, I never forget. Oh, never. You know, and just kind of practice with it. Of course, like I said, this is just basic. Of course, you can, there's a whole lot of other transitioning changes, of course. Like I said, I just want to get you started, you know, just want to get you the basics. There's many videos out there that takes you to a whole nother level, but I just want to get you started. This, like I said, again, that's the reason I created this video. I'm not here to get all technical because there's tons of videos for that. I just want to get you started, you know. That's the reason a lot of my issues when I used to watch videos and still do sometimes, the guys will break it down, but it'll be so much. And I'd be like, man, I just need the basics, you know, get me the basics, get me at the bottom, and I can work my way up if I choose to. You know, you may be comfortable with just the basics at the church. Of course, you want to grow, but you may want to grow in different ways. But sometimes just getting up those basic foundation, those basic chords. So I hope this channel is doing that. Of course, I try not to be too basic, but I just want to give you guys that breakdown. In the E flat, and I know a lot of you guys been asking me for the traditional stuff, so I'm gonna do a lot of that. I got a lot more of some recent stuff coming up next, but I just want to take this day out because I know a lot of you been putting in the comments. We need some more traditional, some congregational songs we can open up with in church. So hopefully that's a good one. And good thing with these congregational songs, they lead to a whole bunch of other songs. So you know, with that chord pattern, you can play about 15 other songs with the same chord pattern. You know what I'm saying? So with the great congregational song, I may do a series of videos just breaking down congregational songs, the E flat and A flat and C sharp. Those are the main common songs. Most congregational old school songs are written in E flat or I don't know why this thing keep breaking up. E flat or A flat, or of course you can play it in any key you want to. But I may just do a series on those, and like I said, with those 1-4-5 kind of things, you can play a whole bunch of other stuff with. But I hope this was helpful. Continue to put in the comments. I know I feel like I forgot about y'all, but I ain't. I have a list, trying to go through them and also keep up with stuff that's currently coming out. So have a blessed week. If your week is not going like it need to be, I hope and pray that God will bless your week and that God will open up your mind to what He wants you to do. I ain't trying to preach, but a lot of times I'm learning myself that God wants us to do what He wants, and then those things that we desire will come to pass. But we gotta first seek Him and do what He wants and be obedient to what He's already told us, because they could be leading to the things we want. So I know me, my personal life, I don't know what you're going through, but I'm learning to just be faithful over the things He already had given me, and just continue to trust in Him, because it might not be the right time for some of y'all things y'all been looking for and praying for. So I look at it like that. It may not be the right time, and I may not be ready. I don't want to mess up something. I may have a goal or dream, but God may be working things out in me. So when I get that goal or get to that golden dream, I'm ready for it. So whatever the case may be, just I pray that God will use you. God will have you prepared. He will use you, that you will get clear direction and you will not doubt. It's easy to doubt and feel like, just forget this. Continue to have faith. Continue to be strong and pray. Pray, listen to music, pray. Don't just be idolized thinking. The devil loves it when you just be idolizing thinking. And, you know, out of mind is the devil playground. So y'all be blessed, stay in spirit, listen to music, stay around positive people, and be blessed.